is Ahin. I am 11 years old. Did you thought about when you're 17 years old? I think I'll doing gardening when I'm 17 years old. First, I will buy a garden in front of my house, so I will plant my fruit and vegetables. Then I can get many healthy foods easily, so I can eat them every time. For my experience, in my big grandfather's garden is in front of his house, so I went to the garden often. Second, I like gardening. I like give water and I like taking it. Also, I like eating them and share it. So I am happy when I'm gardening. For my experience, I was taking a pepper and eat them. Then I drink water many times because it's so spicy, but it's fun. In conclusion, I'll doing gardening when I'm 70 years old. For I will buy a garden in front of my house and I like gardening. Thank you for listening to my speech.